Okay, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you these two websites that you can download free pictures and free videos. If you need free videos or pictures or music for maybe your YouTube or wherever else you need it for, so in these two websites you can download free pictures and free videos and free music. So let's get into it. Open your Google Chrome. You can search for this website on your phone, on your mobile. You can do this on your laptop, your PC, doesn't matter. So the first website you're gonna search for is Pixabay. Now make sure you go into the official website pixabay.com, click on it. So this is the website. This first website you can download videos, music, sound effects, photos. Scroll down. These are free stock photos you can download maybe for your video, whatever you need it for. So I'm gonna click on one of them. Go to free download and click on download. You can choose right here, click on download. Okay, I'm gonna need to verify. Okay, all right, verify and download. Okay, as you can see right here, it's being downloaded right now. So that's all you gotta do if you want to download photos or videos. Just click on them and click on free download. So I'm gonna go into the video section. So right here you can download different kind of videos that you want. You can also search right here, search and choose the category, illustrations or whatever. That's why you can get free videos from this website Pixabay. Go into music. Let's check out the music section. So right here you can even search music for videos. As you can see, background music, just basically anything. So right here you can click on download to download this music. You can even listen to them. Click on play and listen. So you can even listen to them. So this is how you can download free photos and videos and music from this first website. So I'm gonna go into the next website. So this is a new tab. So the next website I'm gonna show you is Pexels. Type in Pexels and search. So this is the official site for Pexels. Make sure you click on the official site. Click on it, and this is the official site for Pexels. So as you can see, the best free stock photos. As you can see, you can get some free stock photos right here, videos and all that. As you can see, stock photos. These are free photos. You can use nothing like copyright or anything. Also videos, nothing like copyright on the videos or anything like that. So I'm gonna scroll back up. You can even search for the photos that you want. So I'm gonna go into the videos section, click on it, and right here this is the videos section. So scroll down. These are videos that you can download. As you can see, different kind of videos that you can download to use maybe for your YouTube. If you're making a YouTube channel that you don't want to make videos of yourself talking or anything like that, you just want to upload free videos to your YouTube without copyright issues. So you can come to this website and download these videos, download many of them and combine every one of the videos into one single video and upload to your YouTube. I also have another video that can show you guys how you can make money on YouTube, posting free videos like this on YouTube. How you can download free videos from like these websites and make a single video, combine them and make a single video and post to your YouTube account without copyright issues. So please check out that video. So scroll up let's click on trending. New, you can search by this filter, new or trending. Scroll up, you can even, as you can see, moon, sunset, nature, cat. Let's click on cat. As you can see right, these are videos of cats that you can even download and post to your YouTube account or wherever else you need them for. Just click on the video and click on free download. That's what you gotta do. Just click on free download. Okay, and as you can see right here, the video is being downloaded. So that's how you can download free videos and pictures from these two websites. They're very helpful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and please click on the notification button. Thanks for watching.